question here is, why is my AC unit, my old AC unit, so inefficient with electricity? Well, this is a great question because the older the unit becomes, the less efficient the unit is. So just in technology alone, the new AC units are about 30% more energy efficient than those that were made 10 years ago. Now, this unit behind me, we just took off of a house. It was well over 10 years old, which means it's older. It doesn't run as good as it used to. Plus, the efficiency standards back in the day didn't require, and they weren't as stringent as they are today. Nowadays, there's a minimum efficiency requirement that has to be hit, and these units do not have that minimum efficiency.